Okay. Hi, everybody. My name is Fritz Zaucker. I'm working at Oettik & Partner AG, a small company in Switzerland, who some of you might know from Tobias Oettiker's work, for example, MRTG, RD tool, or SmokePin. Well, there are a lot of good things about Perl and Raku, but I think it still needs improvements in various places. And I think you can help improve Perl and Raku, even if you cannot program or not well enough, or you don't have time, or you have some other reason or excuse. The question is how? I'll show you a few things we did in the last years. We and our customers contributed by funding Raku module development, for example, to grow modules, log timeline, and initial spreadsheet XLSX module to parse and write spreadsheet files. We also made JSON faster, and we got a thread-safe DBI for SQLite, all by subcontracting well-known Raku experts. The same projects also gave inspirations for Comma EDA features. The biggest project also provided a real-world test suite for helping more VM development, and we are occasionally sponsoring, for example, Swiss Perl workshops. So what could your contributions be? You can, for example, convince your company to regularly donate to Perl Foundation, to hire some Perl or Raku expert for whatever, for talks, for programming, for whatever your needs are. And you can pay them well enough so that they can afford to work even more on Perl and Raku in their free time. You and your company can also pay more than $10 for this conference or whatever else you come up with. So why should you convince your company to regularly donate to TPF? Because it's almost impossible to do so from the outside. You know best how important useful Perl and Raku are for your business. And regular contributions are less effort, plannable, and thus more efficient for both sides, actually. Yes, you can, even right now. Just go there. Thanks for listening.